Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to monitor decibel levels on your iPhone 17. So if you want to monitor the decibel levels like just based on the environment, you have to download the third-party application. But if you want to monitor it, for example, when listening to music, you have to at first open the Health. Now, here you have to tap Search, and as you can see here, they have health categories. Tap Hearing, Headphone Audio Levels. Tap it. Now, as you can see, exposure 70 decibels, 7 minutes. And this, as you can see, is our monitoring. It's compatible when we do have our compatible earbuds on our ears. But I will show you this on my private iPhone, for example, and it's here. And now, at first, you need to go to the Health, as I said, and here in the Health, as you can see, I do have the approaching 7-day limit, but let me tap Search, let me tap Hearing, and I do have loud, 89 decibels. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.